happen?
Did you miss the part where we said these beetles eat wood? See? Be right back. To greater understanding. When I'm slurping.
George brought his own straw.
When I'm bathing.
My memories! I didn't even get a picture of all of us together.
Oh, we'll do jungle pictures instead.
Huh, strange. Somebody keeps stealing inside part of banana.
That rhino's eating Shep's food.
That's not Shep's. That's George's bag of Trunka Munch. Bad rhino. Why, sure I do. Wow, you've eaten everything except the dirt under my feet. Cut! He has gas.
Evil spirits! Gas! Evil spirits! Gas!
You started Bagpipes Day without me?
Nope, just crashed into lots of trees like normal. Eat quick. George has lots of stuff to make and build and sew and finish.
But this one also catches mosquitoes, licks envelopes, changes light bulbs, and picks up coins that fall behind the dresser.
Can Beaver chew this into a copy of a witch doctor stick?
Sorry. I just ate a hoagie. Too fully.
Poor thing. Raised by illiterate, brutish apes.
Checkmate.
We dared this jungle man to...
This film is gonna make us rich.
Oh, I couldn't stop old Grouchmouth. Now everyone thinks George has lost his touch. Hey! Not the tree! Not the tree! I'm here! Did I miss the memorial? Ice creaming? Yes. Ursula, give up!
Someone in danger. Must hurry. See? Taste so good.
Not only does it not taste so good,
Apes say they're not real. Apes say they're not real.
Gasquake!
Duck and cover, people!
Two.
George, there's always an after belch. George, don't eat that. It's...
Extra crunchy.
Why do I even try?
Pleasure to meet me.
Who you be?
Here, the leaves of the Gastropacificus bush are an effective anti-centipede.
It wants us to have its food.
But it's a log.
Distress beacons. Loyal and fun pets.
My brothers, together we must carry on our great struggle. I promise to lead you all to victory again.
Please don't make George eat another bite. Oh, alien aftertaste worse.
Oh, he's right.
Those guys were disgusting.
You might think the brain George is in charge, but you'd be wrong. The stomach is where it's at.
See, Ursula? Onion tastes much.
You did it, George! You ate all the meat that you previously ate.
Yeah, man, that was heavy.
New hypothesis. One of Ursula's parents.
Shadow George! Shadow George! What Ursula doing?
Science!
George helped little stretchy horse.
But leaves.
Eat this.
Oh, but George no good at being bad. Feels wrong.
All done your coconut geddies of brownies?
Mm-hmm.
Feeling better now? Come on. Let's get you to bed. Here. I can't believe we ate 1,000 apples.
You know better way of stopping avalanche? Pay attention, sharks. No eat guppies. Eat other tasty stuff, okay?
It was bound to happen.
At least George saved guppies. Morning, water jungle. Uh-oh.
Delicious. Ursula's still hungry.
But that lion's about to eat that zebra.
Gary, what'd George do? Okay, Gary, if you say so.
Burning rock good.
Whoa! Oh boy, here George go.
A shark! No, two sharks! He ate every piece of food he could find.
Holy bananas!
The poison! I shall defeat it! We are victorious! No thanks to your tomfoolery!
George, help!
Good luck, George, once and future king of the jungle.